Hey everyone, welcome to another Acres of Timber CRM tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create forms in your CRM. So all you need to do is navigate to your left-hand side menu here, and you're going to expand this marketing drop-down, and you're going to go to Form Builder. And so once you're in Form Builder, all you need to do is go up to Create New Form. And as you can see, you can use this for contact forms, you can use this for questionnaires, auditing results, anything that you want to do. So this is a very, very easy system. It's all just drag and droppable nodes. So what you can do is if you want to add some text, you just go over to this right-hand side to edit it. So maybe if this is a contact form, we could say contact us. And then to implement it, you just click anywhere around in this gray area. And then it'll also take you back to your main menu here. And so, of course, if it's a contact form, I'm probably going to want, a full name, and you can also choose first and last name if you want two separate fields. You can also do phone number, email, really anything you can think of. As you can see, there's also address options and birth date options, and then you can also add a button if you want a submit button, or, if this is a contact form, I could say email now. And then people know that it's being sent off. Just a lot of customization options. And then even further, if you go into custom fields, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as an example, a custom field that we have is, do you currently send email and text appointment reminders? And it gives you an option of yes or no. Or if you want to add a custom form, you can actually hit that, and then it'll give you this set of options here. And so say I wanted to do a single options form. Maybe I don't want people to be able to pick multiple choices. So maybe it's going to be a newsletter form. And maybe I want to know what times of day, right? People want to get them. Morning. And so each line is going to be a different option on the form. Right? And so if I want a placeholder, I could put that here. And I'll show you on the next page because it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so now we have that new form. So that'll drop down with my options. And so what the placeholder is so if I click this, that is just what will show up in this field. So I could say, choose here. And then people will know it's a drop down to choose from. So that is how you make a form in the CRM. And if you want to integrate the form, you just need to hit that button here and then get the link for it. And then whenever you need to redirect to this form, you would just put this in as your link. And then you're good to go.